Is that license, yeah? Hassan. Well, that looks like you, doesn't it? Yeah. Get yourself ready.
With
Right. Have you got a confirmation with it on your email for your driving test?
yes, like maybe 1 or 2 days ago. Uh, test is on Tuesday, 2nd July, and what you must take.
Yeah, good. Right. 10:14, yes.
Yes.
Today we've got Hassan in for first attempt. Very experienced driver. He's had 2 mock driving tests. Did you pass any?
No.
No, he didn't pass any.
Like I had to
But-
see.
But he's going to pass the day, hopefully. Is there anything you want to practice before we get to the test center?
Yes. One I was thinking about the parallel parking.
Right, parallel park,
Yeah,
yes.
we'll do, and that same roundabout
Which roundabout?
for the A168.
Oh, Bishop
where we-
Auckland.
yeah.
Yeah.
If we can do like one time, because I tried like 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't figure out like when I have to turn left, because when I was supposed to turn left and there was a signal like, oh, half road is, it says only right. So like I was confused about that. I went there today as well, like early in the morning.
Did you?
Yeah.
Well, I took you before you'd done your mock test and you'd done it.
Yeah,
perfect.
but like today I don't know what happened. Like I was confused or something.
Right, so you're going right, do you agree? Which lane did you pick?
We have to go A168. This one.
A688.
Yeah, most right.
Most right.
Yes.
Now, when you go into the roundabout, which lane do you go to?
From here to here, this
Yay.
same. Yeah.
No.
And then when I reach here,
Yeah.
but I have to turn left, so it says only right. That's where I get confused. Like
Wait,
from
wait.
here, where should I go from here?
You know, if you're going that exit,
Yes.
which lane should you keep
So
doing?
I'll move from here. Okay.
Yeah.
But I was going here and then trying to go there. Yeah.
No. That's
Which
false.
I know is wrong. That's why I
Yes.
didn't do it. I keep coming back and I was like confused. What should I do?
What I want you to do, don't move and just go straight, and then go around like that.
Got it. Yeah.
Have you got
This
that?
was the confusing part only. Yeah.
So do you understand that
Yes,
one?
definitely.
You ready to go?
Yes.
Go on then. Now, when you get in the car with the examiner, look, put your keys in your license in the cup holder.
Okay.
Okay?
Car keys and
He will say, do you want me to come with you? Say no.
okay.
Say, do you want him there at the end? Say yes.
Okay.
Got that?
Got it.
When you're ready. Now, if the blue lights follow you today, do not go through red lights, do not drive in bus lanes, do not mount verges of pavement.
No curbs.
No curbs. Just pull up on the left, yeah?
As much I can do easily.
Yes, but don't do anything illegal.
Yeah.
Let them-
First time I did like brake.
Did you?
Yeah. So and you gave me like serious one, like I think. So
Stop. Drive on when you're ready. Yeah, that was really good, yeah? Any questions about that?
got
It was all good, yeah?
understood.
Good.
I was watching one video.
Mm-hmm.
Like if he tell me to like reverse park,
Mm-hmm.
and there is like empty space in front of as well, so I can like go like left in that parking and then straight come back to that.
If you want, yes, you can
Yeah,
do that.
that's allowed, right?
It is.
Okay.
That'll do, yeah? Drive on when you're ready. You know, when you come in, you could go a bit further back before you steer. You steer it there and it's like that. But that would be a pass, yeah? Drive on when you're ready, yeah? Now, can you turn it round at the top of the road, please? Anywhere you want.
Can try one here as well.
Yeah, go on, yeah.
This seems less space, so I'll try.
Right, I'll tell you when to turn, look. Yeah?
Okay, I'll tell you when I'm about to do
Yeah.
as well. Yeah. So now I'm about to
No,
do.
no, a bit further back. Now.
No. Okay.
Full lock it, that's it. Full lock it. See the difference?
Yeah.
Just up there. Perfect, isn't it?
This purple. I was leaving too much space.
Yes. Right, do you understand? Perfect, that. Drive on when you're ready. Yeah, all good, sir, all good. Yeah. Good observation, well done. And look over your left shoulder also. Yep. You very good, yeah? Very good parking. Right, it's time to wish Hassan the very best of luck. Now, can you make a prediction? How many are you going to pass or fail?
Hopefully pass.
How many faults? Driver
Only.
faults? How many?
Many, I think 5, 6.
No,
Sure.
not that many. He's drove for a full hour this morning. He's not committed any serious faults, and that's a good sign.
Yeah.
He's had a
that's
few minor faults for what was it? Nudging the curb, undue hesitation. But other than that, he should come back with no more than 2 minor driver faults. We better say driver faults, yeah. So, this is the second one I've had from which pizza shop?
Ocean Space area.
Ocean Pizza Shop. It's very nice. So there must be something in the food there because they're good drivers in that pizza shop, yeah. Right, have you any questions before we go?
Good to go.
Good to go? I hope you're good to go.
Sure.
Now, remember, I'll see you at the end, yeah?
Yes, sure.
So, don't do anything daft. Just drive nice
Should
and
I
smooth.
keep these here?
Yes. Do you need to
keep
open
it
the
with
bonnet or anything? Are you okay with it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
these 2 times.
Right, go on and get them. Oh, I'm gonna take that off.
I reversed here.
In repair.
Yeah. Into the bed.
Did you done the emergency stop?
Yes.
And it was signed, yeah?
Yes.
Well, we're back off test with Hassan. Tell him what you've done.
I passed my test without any serious mistake.
You only had
2 minus.
2 driver faults you had. What were the 4?
Sorry?
What were the 4?
Fault.
The faults, what was the 2 faults?
He told me to park on the left side and
You
I
pulled-
didn't. Yeah.
Too close to a
Yeah,
junction.
too close to the junction.
And you were turning right
And there's a car coming, so
and you didn't position properly.
yeah,
did
didn't
you?
position properly. So these 2 mistakes.
What was the examiner like?
He was very good. He was
Mhm.
very nice. He
Yeah,
was talking. He was making me comfortable all the way.
yeah, yeah. He had Jack, who's been doing it a very long time.
Yeah.
Good examiner. Well done.
Couldn't have asked for any better. He was really good.
What did he say at the end? He says, "Thank you for a lovely drive."
Yes.
He must have felt
Really
safe
happy
as
with it.
houses, yeah.
Yes.